guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a sort of work in progress, I guess. So this is, as you can see, my little embroidered cat with the pretty vase. I've been trying so hard to make videos of this for a WIP and chat, and it's just not working, you guys. It is just totally not. I'm too much of a newbie, and I can't manage it with just two hands and recording, and I have to keep putting it down and it goes off camera. And then at one point, I don't know which piece of it was, but at one point I somehow sewed my t-shirt to the bottom of this and then to the bottom of this, and I didn't notice, and I just kept going. And then I tried to stop, and I tried to move it, and I couldn't because my t-shirt was stuck to it. Let me show you the big hole I've got in my t-shirt. Hang on, you're gonna die laughing. So, okay, look at the hole. Okay, look at all the holes I put in my t-shirt because I didn't know. And I was just sewing through it and pulling and pulling. And I didn't notice. So it was all sewn to the back of this in my t-shirt. So I had to cut and undo a lot of it, and I thought, oh my gosh. You guys. So anyway, I ordered a hoop, an embroidery stand that is supposed to hold the hoop, and maybe that will let me do it on camera for a WIP and chat. And if not, I'm just going to have to work on it and then just show you and say, hey, this is as far as I've gotten. So, you know, hey, this is as far as I've gotten so far. So I did this tulip first, and then I did these tulips, and then I did these flowers. And then I did these darker colored leaves. They kind of look like cactus to me. I don't know why, but they do. And then these darker ones. And then I did these lighter ones. So I still have to do some more leaves and some more flowers. And then all I'll have to do is the cat and the pot. So I think the flowers are really pretty. I'm really happy with how they turned out. I had to learn different, these are all different like stitches. So yeah, it was fun. Like, and I'm a beginner, so if you know what you're doing, you're gonna look at this and say, like, I didn't do a very good job of outlining these. For some reason, they went in instead of staying on the outside. But I did my best, and I'm having fun, and I think it looks pretty. I don't want to say I'm having fun. It's not fun. I'm enjoying it. It's a challenge, though. It's not like relaxing like diamond painting is. It's very much a challenge for me, but I am enjoying it. So yeah, so I will come back, and if I can do a WIP and chat with my new embroidery stand, I will. And if not, I'll just finish these flowers and come back and show you the finished flowers. And then I'll do the cat and then this, and just kind of do a really brief, you know, here's what we have now. And plus I might have to put this on the back burner for a while because I'm getting a bunch of other stuff come in the mail for a PR package, and I'll have to do that first before I finish this, I think. But maybe I can still like work on this slowly. All right, guys, so that's it. I just wanted to do a WIP in progress kind of update video on how my first embroidery, like other than that pendant, since I was a little girl, is coming out. So I hope you like that. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of those good things that help me as a channel. And if you have any helpful hints or tips, let me know, because I'm very much a newbie. I really don't know what I'm doing. I am watching lots of YouTube videos, though. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe. Bye.